When you combine two British powerhouses like Matchbox and Colin Chapman's Lotus racing team, you're likely to get something pretty special. Lotus gained fame during this time with Chapman's racing innovations and driver Jim Clark behind the wheel. Together, they would win the 1963 F1 World Championship. Two years later, Clark was driving the first mid-engine car to win the Indianapolis 500. The Matchbox Model 19 seems to be based on the Lotus Type 25 formula car driven by Jim Clark. Over the years, Clark would pilot 5 different Type 25s for Lotus to win 14 World Championship races over 4 seasons. What fan wouldn't want a replica of a winning race car, especially when the prices were so affordable? Racing teams needed a way to get their cars to the track. Why not do it in style? How exciting would it be if you were a kid in 1967 and saw one of these transporters out on the open highway? Or maybe you pulled in for gas and parked next to you was one of these trucks filling up with diesel. Matchbox knew how to market their toys. The illustrations recreated scenes that fed the imaginations of both kids and adults. Someone liked the Matchbox racing transporter so much that they converted an Austin Mulliner bus into a full-scale replica. The folks at Matchbox were skilled at showing you how to combine their toys in creative ways. If you had the race car, then you probably needed the transport truck. What if that car broke down or had an accident? then you definitely had to have the tow truck, ambulance, and fire truck too. Prices vary widely because of vehicle condition and packaging. Buying one can easily lead you into searching for the same car but with slight decal or color variations. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to tell a friend. There's always room for more Matchbox enthusiasts. Bye for now.